made a couple changes to the kind of the test rig to see how it works. I've changed the output to a 2-inch PVC, which I think will a little bit more accurately represent what I'll probably use on the final design, just to kind of see. It has made a real big difference in the velocity. I mean, it's still not going to blow your hair back, but it does make a difference in being able to feel it. I've added a Accurite indoor-outdoor temperature sensor. I bought it because if it says it in the name, it's got to be true, right? So right now we're showing 81 degrees outside. It feels a lot hotter than that. 63 outdoor. That's the actual temperature probe going in there, and we're probably at close to 90% humidity. Let's see if I can get to that. Let's see here. 82% humidity. I think that might be a little off, but yeah, whatever. Alright, we're gonna see how it goes, and I'll write down the temperatures in interior and exterior as we go forward in the next few hours. So we're sitting here at about hour 4 on the test. I've discovered a couple things. The first was the Accurite indoor-outdoor thermometer is not very accurate. This thermometer I know to be very accurate. I've tested it in boiling water and freezing. I know it's really spot on. And if I actually go, oh, I'm stupid. Hold on. That's the temperature. So they're about 2 to 3 degrees off. I have been, over the last 4 hours, been able to keep a pretty steady 20 degree Fahrenheit differential between the ambient temperature here and the exhaust temperature coming out of here. But I found in the last 15 or 20 minutes I've really lost efficiency, and I think that has to do with the ice level going down. I don't know if you can see it in there. It's still about half full of ice water mixture, but I think what's happening is the air is just basically just coming through, coming around and coming up, and not having much contact time with the ice to get it cool. So I think I'm going to do some modifications. I found a really inexpensive computer radiator that I can mount on the discharge side, and a USB pump that only draws about 500 milliamps. So the goal is I'm going to mimic the 12 volt ones and mount the 12 volt, the USB pump down on the bottom, and pipe it up to the radiator, back out, and then back to the ice. So I'm hoping that'll help, and it's not adding much cost. I think the total will be about 20 bucks and another 500 milliamps of power. So that put me at basically 1 amps 5 volts, which is still give me 20 hours runtime on this battery pack here, if all things being equal. So I'll test it out. Thanks.